you want to keep these seeds?
Mine's better.
Our little cabin in the woods. Oh, now you got the smoke coming towards me.
Don't take mine.
This one's very little.
Come on out, Marie, and enjoy the smoke.
I'm enjoying it.
The aromatic, smoke-filled air. There's some pretty
Now, Turkey, this one.
flowers here. I don't know what these flowers are, but they're pretty. We have a kind of a bell look.
And being too close to the fire.
Yeah. Chance, I don't know that smoke's not good for your throat when you've already got a cold.
It just irritates your ear patch.
Yeah.
Even come this side, I'll do it.
Okay. We got a little fan club going.
A little monkey.
This
Three
is-
monkey.
Three
Sir, not that way.
monkeys.
You're facing it to
The Three
Uncle
Monkeys fan club.
Doug. Sir, you're facing it to Uncle Doug. Stop.
Is Uncle Doug getting?
The wind doing that.
We're facing
Yeah.
it to Nana.
Yeah. Now it's coming this way. Woo!
Okay, let's melt marshmallow.
You think they're ready?
Yep,
Not
try.
yet, not yet, Chad.
Okay.
go-
Uncle Doug will have to give the all clear signal.
It's burning, but it's still not really hot yet.
Trey, remember you need to take black.
Maybe we need a little bit more paper.
Yeah.
How sour?
Put,
Take
put
mine,
the
then.
put a little more wood on it. The small,
Take mine, go
what's that,
Trey.
the small wood.
Wait.
Take mine. Mine's got a lot.
Yeah, Trey will get you all.
Trey.
Yeah, just wait. No need more. It says see.
You need